Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the rear cover, loosen the 4 screws on the side of the base cover. Remove the 6 screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the rear cover and remove the 2 screws. Remove the 4 screws on the back of the cover and lift the cover off the system. To reinstall the rear cover, place it back on the system and secure the 4 screws on the back. Tighten the 2 screws. Reconnect the battery cable. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the base cover on the system. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.